October 26th. It's a Thursday. Another beautiful day. I got 68 degrees on the bike. Supposed to be in the 70s again. So stay tuned. Don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss anything. There we go. Heading out of town. Beautiful. Okay, this is the Mahoning River. This bridge was built in 18 something. It's that bridge. Let's see if we can get a better view. Some pictures. It is pretty. Huh. And the water's nice and clear. We'll just pause it. Another view upstream. They say it's a good spot for foliage, but the foliage is just about gone. So Rita, I think Rita went down there. She's trying to get down. She's over there. She's hiding in the trees. Alright, here's the bridge. Oh, went through the woods. I got all prickers in my hand. Ouch. Okay. I think it needs some work. But it's still beautiful. Old. Very nice. Okay, it's a one-lane bridge. That's downstream. And that's upstream. They say this road gets rough. We'll see. See what happens. It's SR 1007. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. We'll see. Exploring PA. We're on Deanville Road, but it's maintained, but it's not paved. Not too bad. This would be nice in the peak foliage. Oh, okay. Oh, if this was paved, it would be fun. Curvy. So stay tuned. Check it out. They got some llamas. Hi guys and gals. Hi. Oh, look at this guy. Hey, hi, a big guy. Hi. Company. Hi.
With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love